Alrighty. Kia ora, good evening. Welcome to Tom Atkinson's MissionX final project presentation. So you're looking at the visualization of the GitHub repo where you can see we've working together as a team. So I wrote a bash script to launch automatically both the back end and the front end, and also to pop up a window in Chrome straight away. I've also set up routing with React Router. I've got some page loads triggered on the console to show the hits, which is very useful for debugging. This is the database structure. I suggest we set up a table each, and so we all had to go, and that worked out pretty good because it's a shared database. And we used connection pooling to reuse connections, made use of a parameterized queries via pool.execute. I wrote a hydration function which hits the database twice due to the fact that there's 15 students and 15 projects. Notice how there's 21 entries. That's because 15 by 15 would actually be 2 to 5 rows to cover all the students'. We're storing one row for each project progress recording it. We're using MySQL 2 package as a middleware to connect to the cloud-hosted database. That's three projects being completed by that student. And thanks to everyone for your CSS and scripts, which I had a look at. Login credentials were stored in the .env file, which is blocked in git ignore. I plan to use WebSockets to try to get a bidirectional feedback loop going. Things got out of control as far as time is concerned. I need to double check my ESLint install. Projects 1 has been done by 2 students. Just showing the date completed column, which is the used to determine if the progress has been progressed. Null if not. Constant water equals hydration is basically doing a join of the 2 tables in memory of JavaScript. I was going to try it on the server side with an SQL join. I actually set that up and then tore it down. In the end, I wanted to. I don't know why. I wanted to do it in JavaScript instead. It's funny that. I think the mocking is because the mocking. Not quite sure. So when all the students have done all of the projects, there'll be 225 rows in that table. Right now, there was just 21, so I think not many students had done in many of the projects. And so if there's no row on the table, that means it's not completed. So I just sort of, rather than fill the table with mock data, I just mock the empty spaces being not